Gloria Hunniford reveals health reasons and sudden departure from Celebrity Bake Off. Gloria Hunniford has always been a familiar face on British television, with a long and impressive career in the entertainment industry. She began her career in the 1970s and quickly became one of the most famous presenters in the UK. However, few people know that behind the spotlight, Gloria also faced many health challenges that she rarely shared with the public. It all started one morning in April, when Gloria received a call from the production team of the show Celebrity Bake Off, a famous show for celebrities to try their hand at baking. She was invited to participate and felt extremely excited to have the opportunity to show off her cooking skills and help charities at the same time. A bright beginning. Gloria, despite being over 70 years old, her vitality and energy have not diminished. She joined Celebrity Bake Off with a relaxed and excited mood, even though she had little experience in baking before. Her fellow contestants on the show were all familiar and famous faces, from artists to MCs and other TV presenters. Everyone was very friendly and open, creating a fun and pleasant atmosphere. However, right in the first days of the competition, Gloria began to feel that her body was not as healthy as before. Although she still appeared cheerful and enthusiastic, she felt slight pain in her body and unexplainable fatigue. Sometimes you don't realize that you're getting older until your body tells you, Gloria shared later. Unexpected complications. In the third week of the competition, as Gloria prepared for the challenge of making a complex cake, she felt sudden pain in her back and abdomen. The pain was constant, making it impossible for her to concentrate on her work. Despite this, she still tried to attend all the filming sessions and did not want to miss any opportunities. Her colleagues around her began to notice a change in her spirit. Gloria looked tired and quieter than usual. One morning, while Gloria was preparing for the meringue challenge, she suddenly collapsed in the baking area. The production staff and doctors immediately arrived, checked her health condition, and decided to take her to the hospital. Reason for leaving the show. After a series of tests and health checks, the doctors discovered that Gloria had a kidney disease that she was unaware of. This disease, although not immediately dangerous, can cause serious complications if not treated promptly. Gloria had to be hospitalized immediately for treatment and rest. In a press conference shortly after leaving the show, Gloria shared her health reasons with her fans and the public. She said that although she was very sorry to have to leave Celebrity Bake Off, health was the most important thing and she could not continue participating in the show while facing serious health problems. I tried my best, but sometimes my body did not allow it. I could not continue participating when my health was not stable. It was a difficult decision, but I had to put my health first, Gloria said. She also did not forget to thank everyone who supported her throughout her journey on the show. Although I had to leave early, I was still very happy because I had the opportunity to meet new friends and learn from talented chefs, Gloria shared. A new look at health and life. Since leaving the show, Gloria has taken some time off to focus on her health. She started a healthy diet and attended therapy sessions to help her body recover. I've really learned that health is the most important thing in life. I spent so much time working that I sometimes forgot about myself. But now I've learned to listen to my body and take care of myself more, Gloria said in an interview after she returned to work. She also shared that being on Celebrity Bake Off made her realize the importance of maintaining a balanced lifestyle between work and rest. Life isn't always easy, but we can choose how we face it. And I've chosen to love myself more. Recovery journey and future plans. After completing her treatment and recovery, Gloria has started to return to her television work. She returned to her familiar shows and continued to broadcast the shows she loves. However, this time, she decided to adjust her work schedule to ensure that her health was not affected too much. She has also spent time participating in charity activities, especially programs that support people with kidney disease and help them get effective treatment. I feel lucky to have recognized my health problem early. I want to share my story so that people understand that health cannot be taken lightly. Take care of yourself before it's too late, Gloria shared. Love and unrevealed truths. Despite having a huge and successful career, few people know that in addition to her love for work, Gloria also has an interesting love life with many ups and downs. After leaving the show Celebrity Bake Off and taking a break, she began to look back at her life, not only from a health perspective, but also from a personal relationship perspective. Gloria was married to her first husband, Don Hunniford, a man she always considered a great partner. However, this marriage did not last forever, and after the breakup, Gloria decided not to remarry. She chose to be single, enjoying a free life and devoting herself to work, family and the charity projects she always cherished. But since her health began to fail, Gloria realized that she was missing something in her life, a companion, someone who could share her worries, joys and sorrows, the long, quiet nights and lonely moments that work could not fill. Her time off was when she found many new things, not only about her health but also about love and connection. One day, when Gloria attended a charity event organized by her organization, she met a man she had met through a mutual friend. It was Martin, a famous kidney specialist who had helped her during her treatment. Martin was a calm, intelligent and kind-hearted man. They started talking and quickly felt a deep connection. Feelings began to bloom. Martin was someone who understood the difficulties Gloria was facing. He was not only a caring doctor but also someone who could listen and share Gloria's concerns. Through their subsequent meetings, their friendship gradually turned into romance. Gloria felt the special care Martin gave her, and she began to open her heart to love, something she had always avoided before. Although she knew that love at this age could be difficult and challenging, Gloria felt that this was an opportunity for her to experience again the sweet and fresh emotions she had missed. It's never too late to love, to open your heart and receive good things, Gloria shared in a later interview. Their intimate conversations were not only about work or health, but also about old memories, simple joys and expectations for the future. Martin helped Gloria overcome her concerns about aging and health, affirming that love is not only about physical connection but also about empathy and sharing in life's most difficult moments. Discovering new joys. As Gloria's life gradually returned to normal, she began to discover the joys that love brings. She and Martin spent a lot of time together, traveling, attending charity events and especially cooking together, an activity Gloria loved. They even challenged each other to baking competitions, with each trying to create new dishes. For Gloria, these were not only fun times but also opportunities for her to learn, grow and reconnect with her desires and passions. Being in love with Martin brought Gloria a peace she had never felt before. She no longer felt alone or afraid when facing life's challenges. Martin becomes her trusted companion and friend, helping her see life from a new and hopeful perspective. She realizes that love is not always a perfect story, but it can bring warmth, joy and comfort in the most difficult times. A new chapter in life. The months with Martin helped Gloria realize that life can be a long and challenging journey, but love can be the driving force that helps people rise up and live better. She not only found a balance in her health but also found joy and appreciation from someone she loved and cared for. Gloria decided to share her love story with the public, not to brag, but to inspire those who are going through difficult times in life. Love is an indispensable part of everyone's life journey. No matter how old we are, love can always renew our lives and give us the strength to continue moving forward, Gloria shared in a recent interview. Ending a journey, opening a new chapter. Gloria and Martin's love story is not a fairy tale, but a very real and touching one. It is a union of two souls sharing joys, sorrows and future goals. Gloria not only found love but also found faith in life and optimism, that no matter what the circumstances, life can still be beautiful when we know how to open our hearts and accept the good things. The love story of Gloria Hunniford and Martin is a testament to the fact that love can appear at any stage of life, and that no matter what difficulties we face, there is always an opportunity to find warmth and happiness again. As long as we open our hearts, accept ourselves, and are ready to accept new relationships, love will come to us naturally. For Gloria, love is not just an emotion, but part of a meaningful life journey, a motivation for her to continue writing the next chapters in her life, a new, beautiful, and hopeful chapter.